Welcome back again to our channel Morning Alarm, and we have previously discussed that about the three schema architecture or three level architecture. Now in this video I am going to continue a concept which is related to the previous one, three schema architecture, that is data independence. It is a concept from data concepts, and we are continuing this data concept since 2 days. Sorry, for 2 days now. We're going through it, data independence. Look at the definition. Data independence can be explained by using the three schema architecture. As previously said, data independence is completely depend on the three schema architecture. Now, data independence refers characteristic of being able to modify the schema at one level of the database system without altering the schema at the next higher level. Which means, if you remember the diagram of a three schema architecture, it is very easy to understand. Now I'm drawing a simple diagram here. If it is the low level, okay, it is the low level, it is the conceptual level, and it is the actional level, which are mapped together. And at the bottom we can observe a database distinct role. These are mapped external, conceptual to the internal. If we consider this diagram, we can change the data in this internal level without modifying the data in the conceptual level. This is called physical data independency, and here logical independency occurs in between the conceptual level and the external level. We can change the data in the conceptual level without altering the data at the external level, which is called the logical data independency. Let us see what is it. We can classify the data independence into two types, as logical independency and physical independency, as previously said. Logical independence. Let us know about this. Logical data independence refers to the characteristics of being able to change the conceptual schema without having to change the external schema. Logical data independence is used to separate the external level from the conceptual view. Okay, right? If we do any changes in the conceptual view of the data, then the user view of the data would not be affected, which means if we do any changes in the conceptual view, which is present at the center of the architecture, then the user view of the data would not be affected. That means user didn't get any difference in the view of the data. Logical data independence occurs at the user interface level. It is occurs at the user interface level. If you know it about it, another video is coming about the interfaces, so watch it and then you can understand this easily. Next, let us see the diagram of it. As previously said, logical data independence occurs in between the external level and the logical level, which means the data in the logical level can be modified without changing the data in the external level, which is called the logical data independence. Okay, let's move on. This is physical independence. Physical data independence can be defined as the capacity to change the internal schema without having to change the conceptual schema. If we do any changes in the storage size of the database system server, then the conceptual structure of the database will not be affected. Physical data independence is used to separate the conceptual levels from the internal levels. Physical data independence occurs at the logical interface level, which means we can say that I'm going to explain this by using the diagram. Yeah, if we do any changes in the storage, that means expanding of storage, it wouldn't be affected on the logical level. Yeah, the final thing about the physical independence is it is used to separate the logical level and the physical level. If we change any storage in the database system, it wouldn't be affecting the logical view. And the last point is physical physical data independence occurs at the logical interface level. Yeah, as earlier said, a video is coming about the interfaces. Interfaces including the user interfaces, logical interfaces, physical interfaces. Those all parts are going to cover in that video. So keep an eye on our channel. It will coming about in a half an hour. Okay, this is about the data independency. It is a very simple concept. I hope you will understand clearly, and I will provide the PPT as well as the blog link in the description. Please check it out. And this is for this video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. This is Morning Alarm signing off. Bye bye.